Alright, so this is going to be the video on me taking measurements of my console per request from somebody. Apologize for taking so long. So in the back here, my console is actually 24 inches wide, and the top board will actually be 33 3/4. It'll end up being 34 1/4 tall by the time you're done. So this back piece is one solid piece. Here, okay, I ended up cutting this out. Inside, I left a 3-inch gap, 3-inch gap. That way I could put weather strip behind here. You can make this hole as big as you want. Just make sure you have the cover on the side. Okay, so I took this side piece and I mounted it to this board. Okay, and then I stapled this way. So this board roughly is 16 inches wide. Same thing, should be 33 3/4 inches tall. That's going to be one solid piece of wood. It'll be the same pattern for this side as the other side. Down here at the bottom, so you take your board, 16 wide, 33 1/4 tall, and down here actually was 18 1/4. This lip sticks out just a little bit farther, so you're going to want the full board to be 18 1/4. Okay, here, this is another piece of wood that goes down and it butted up against. Okay, obviously that's 24 inches wide, and the actual board was 1.5 inches tall, and I did an angle cut to make this board and this board cut. I did that on all these, so you're going to end up being a little bit big and cutting down. So 1.5 inches there. The distance between there to there, again with an angle cut, is going to be 6.5 inches. This board will be angled that way. That board was angled this way in order for this to fit in. Okay, everything's going to be 24 inches wide here. This board was 8 inches. So that's going to be an 8 by 24 that goes here. Again, another cut that way to put this board in. This board, same thing, 24 inches wide. Except for here, I didn't do no angle cuts. I just went straight across. I angle cut it here only. So this measurement is going to be 4.5 inches. Okay. Actually, it's going to be 4 inches. Okay, and this board in the front here sat directly down on top of this board. So this is going to be 13.5 inches tall by 24. Here, this board is actually 12.5 by 24. And this top piece, okay, this piece I just sat down, same thing, 24 inches. The top of my console is 10 1/4. Once you get everything together, I did use a jigsaw to make all my 45s and my 22s, and a sander to make everything straight. Well, remember, left and right are the same. When it comes to your holes and your patterns, that's just up to whatever you buy and you decide, but my basic measurement, I've pretty much given you. I might add some stuff here. I haven't done it yet, but jigsaw did the trick for me with, you know, the sander making my corners. And then don't be alarmed if you're going to paint your console. Wood filler, you seen in my video, I had wood filler along here, and that's just to make everything look pretty. If there's something I missed, go ahead and let me know, and I'll be trying to get it for you. But just remember, total number of pieces, the back was 1, each side is 2, 3. This little panel here is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 pieces of wood and 1 piece for the back for the cover, for a total of 11 pieces. If there's something I missed, go ahead and let me know. Thanks.